Alright guys, welcome back to the shop here, and I've been busy doing some painting. Not the best jobs, but it ain't too bad. Looks better than it did. Got a few parts hanging up over here. But got these got the final coat on them. I'm not going for perfection, but you know, just want to give them a little bit more protection than what they had. They were pretty rough. And so I've been working on this bar. I got the first little skim coat down. I run out of paint in the can I was using, so I got another can. And I've already painted the bottom, the side that won't be exposed really. I went ahead and painted it yesterday, so now I'm just working on this. This side will bolt to this to the back side over, well, one side of this thing anyway. I think it bolts to this leading edge over here really. Alright guys, welcome back to the shop, and see, I got this painted yesterday. That's the back side of it. So we're ready to flip this over. Let's see, or did I want to flip it over? I think got to figure out, this is the front edge, this is the back edge. Okay, so I need to flip this around. Get y'all set up on a tripod and we'll get busy. Alright guys, so this is upside down. So this needs to be upside down. And they'll fit together. Like that. Like that. Now, there's a piece that goes here. Like that. And let's see, that's all I need, and some bolts. Alright guys, I got these bolt heads turned up a little bit, zoomed in, and we're going to be putting these bolts into this bar here. They should just fit in there, and as soon as I get it tightened up, it may tighten up enough to be able to get these other ones in. Trouble with that one, I'll have to wait on that one. Alright, now let's see if we can get one in here. Let's see. Yeah, we can finally get it on there. Yeah. Now, alright, so I got that one on. Now I'll just continue on down all the rest of these holes, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, got all these bolted up. Of course, I started tightening them, then I had to loosen them up to get these started in down here, but you know how that goes. Now I'm ready to flip her over and put this other bolt in and tighten these three down. Heavy stuff on it. I'm gonna do the other bolt now. But nope. I wonder if it needs to be flipped over. I bet they do. I bet that's got to be flipped. Alright, I'll flip these 5 bolts over and we'll continue on with getting ready to set this gearbox on here. Alright, I run into another problem here. I had to unbolt this and loosen it up. I didn't really take all the nuts all the way off, but loosen enough where I could pull it up a little bit to get this bolt in. Now I'm still hitting on something. I don't know if it's the head or this part. It's stuck out a little further than it should be. So I'm wondering if it's just that, if I can just take a sawzall or a grinder and grind the head off. So instead of having to take all these loose, and now I'm gonna have to do something with this. I don't know. Now I gotta put my cutting disc on my grinder and cut all these bolts off. Now, no problem. Tighten up a little grinding. Nah, that fit fine. It'll fit fine. No problems. Got what's got me home now? Oh. Got to match up the gears. Yeah, get this thing here out of here. Now, right. Okay. Looks good. Find my little lock nuts. Get some started. I wonder if these things really, I don't guess they really had no washer on them though, because I didn't find no washers. Decent one, that sure ain't decent. This one's pretty good. Now, the fun part, bolting it down. Looks like it'd be better. Alright, so the next thing is going to be this piece here. We'll make sure these are out. And here is the new sleeve. So I can go ahead and stick it in. Alright, so this is the back side. And that sleeve goes in from the back. There we go. And here. Wow, that is a tight fitting son of a gun. Alright, got the mallet. See if we can get this thing on here. Yeah, it just won't be a pain in the butt, so. Alright, so all we like now is the pulley. And I ain't got it cleaned up or painted yet, so I think this will be the end of this video, and got a lot done. It's come together. I got to paint the other one of these arms, put on here, and then we'll put this the new big skid on here, and we got to put the piece on the end here. This piece right here. Got to go over here on this end, and I don't think I got the bolts for that, so I'm gonna have to get bolts and yeah. I have to get the bolts for that. So until next time. Well, I'll skin that shit up, you know. I'll hit that with a little touch-up paint. And, boy, it don't take much to skin that little thin paint off. Kind of makes me mad. I want that thing to be pretty and orange, and then I'll skin all the hell. Of course, this piece here looks like, holy damn it. It looks worse in real life than it does on video. And I forget all what goes there, so I'm going to have to look at some more old videos and figure out everything that goes here. I know there's a piece that goes in between here somehow or another, and I got a bracket. I believe that bracket goes here and fits onto that skid. So I got to get up some more hardware, and it'll probably be at least Monday, because I'm going to wait till I go back to work Monday. And of course the parts place is just a few miles out of the way coming home, but from here it's like a 34-mile round trip, so it'd be a lot better to wait Monday evening and get out and at least get the parts ordered if they ain't got them. And we'll continue on. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I want to make a quick addendum to this video. I had this on backwards. These little things here got to fit up in a notch. So I ended up having to take this off and turn this bushing around and then put it back in. I've got my pulley set up, and basically I just want to make sure everything turns free. I got to get a longer bolt so I can press this on, and that'll be well, I might get that tomorrow, I don't know. And so that's what I want to point out. I noticed on the other one that the bushing was in the opposite direction, so I went out and looked, and sure enough there's these things here actually set into a little piece sets into these, and then you bolt it. So I got this primed up, almost ready for a coat of paint, so stay tuned for more.